Actually, I had no choice. The Draugr lunged. Its claws like iron. Its breath, the stench of decay. I met it, and we grappled. Each grabbing and tearing. It bit me and laughed. That sound curdled my blood. I fought with all my might, but the Draugr was relentless. When I finally wrenched its head from its body with my bare hands, its eyes kept glowing, and its headless body stood up and put the head back on its body, flesh fusing together again. I couldn't kill it, so I ran. Yes, I ran. I needed to think. But I had no time as it pursued me.